Stand it up. We are here at Platinum and we're waiting for the food side street. And
What kind of food?
Street food.
We are at the airport and we are going to
Got my watch.
I'm in the airport.
I just got my watch.
we're going to Bangkok, Thailand. Now arrived at Bangkok airport and we're headed to Pattaya after this, so it's 1.5 hour land travel to Pattaya. We're just looking for our sundo that would take us to Pattaya. So yeah, because my mom booked a taxi, I think. So we're just looking for her name and hopefully we'll be able to find it now. Ang daming names. So you really have to look for your name. We found it finally. So we came from gate 6 and andito pala siya sa exit 3. So andito na kami sa van namin and wow, I think it's gonna be a comfy trip to Pattaya. So again, it will be 1.5 hour. I'll tour you around our limousine van. Mother, say hi. So this is our van. Look at that. So nice. Yeah, so party kami dito.
Pattaya right now. Kakarating na namin 1 hour. So 1 hour trip, land trip. And we're kind of tired and hungry right now. We're gonna go get something to eat after checking in. So watch out.
And we are now in our room. It's a 2-bedroom suite. Now in Pattaya and naglalakad lang kami dito trying mangosteen yun, and we're just trying to find for restaurant kung saan kami kakain. There's a lot of choices here kaya ang hirap, pero ito naghahanap kami ng makakain. We're on the hunt for mango sticky rice and nakakita na kami. So, bumibili lang si Kevin ng mango sticky rice. Mango sticky rice for the week.
Oh yeah.
Good morning from Pattaya. So now we're headed for our breakfast. So natapos kami mag-gym ni Mami kanina. Kaya ready to fight again for food today. Let's go! arrived at Nong Botanical Garden. So we just took a grab from our hotel going here, and it's around 53 minutes travel time. Once you're here, there are several packages that you can buy when you get here. So for us, we're just gonna get the package 2. So that's the admission fee plus the sightseeing bus once you go inside, because there's like a bus roaming inside, because this garden is pretty big. So we're gonna skip the elephant show, we're gonna skip the other shows, but feel free to do it. We're here inside already, and I don't know where we're going because apparently this garden is really big. Yeah, oh, there's an elephant over there. So apparently you can ride the elephant there like that, but I don't support that one because it's exploitation of the animals. I just like seeing them, but riding in them, nah. We're in the garden in the sky area, but before we head there, I just have to grab some iced Thai milk tea, always. So looks like there's 20 fantastic attractions that you can see here inside the Nong Botanical Garden. And so now we are gonna ride the bus to have a tour around the place. And this is part of the package that we bought. Stop number 2 for photo ops, and we are in the dinosaur valley, area. There's a lot of dinosaurs there. And that concludes our Nong Garden tour. So next we're going to go-kart racing. So Norris went on a kart racing. He's there and he's currently 2nd place. After mag-kart ng batang tong si Norris, we are headed to walking street here in Pattaya. So we just opted to walk because it's just like around 14 minutes walk. We're here now at the entrance ng walking street. So apparently this street also is kind of like a red district because there's like a lot of people, showing their menu of girls. So we have already checked out and we're just waiting for our van going to Bangkok. So what we did is we rented a van for 8 hours. So I think that cost us around 4,500 baht for the whole 8 hours. So the the van will pick us up from here in Pattaya, and then it will take us to Bangkok. But before we check into our hotel there, we're still gonna go to, I think, Platinum Fashion Mall first before going to our hotel. So we are already here in Bangkok, and dito kami sa Platinum Fashion Mall. And first order of business, food. So it's 40 minutes till New Year time, and we are now here in Bangkok from Pattaya. I wasn't really able to vlog that much because we went straight to Platinum Fashion Mall a while ago. I was just shopping there, and now we're staying in Ramada by Windham near the riverfront. And now we are going to Asiatic, which is just around 10 minutes walk from where we are staying. The streets are just crazy. Look at that. Traffic everywhere. Look how crazy the crowd is. So we are just heading to by the riverfront because I think the fireworks will be there. We're just trying to find a spot where we're gonna stay and maybe watch the fireworks. Well, actually our hotel is by the riverfront, and I believe that the fireworks can be seen from our room because we have a riverfront facing room. But I don't know why we still went to Asiatic to experience New Year here. Mission aborted.
Yeah.
Sana sa hotel na lang kami, mas maganda pa yung view namin
Too
doon.
crowded, too crowded. Never
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
Never again.
So tip, if you're gonna celebrate New Year here in Thailand, skip Asiatic. Just book a hotel that's in front of the riverside and book a riverfront room. Okay na yun.
Kasama natin ang mga simpleng mamamayan ng mga Thailand.
Tayo na lang kami dito. Like, there's a stage because there's a concert and a Ferris wheel here in Asiatic. So, we're just standing here. Like, we're just gonna watch the fireworks from here. Countdown is starting for New Year.